Good afternoon, children. Welcome to mathematics class, chapter 7, coordinate geometry, part 3. In today's class, you are going to learn sums from exercise 7.1 using the formula root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is distance between the points, and the midpoint formula, the second formula which is given in the today's class, that is midpoint formula. Midpoint of x1 y1 and midpoint of x1 y1 and x2 y2. So please watch the video carefully and understand the sums and practice the sums well. So let us move on to the content. So the fourth question in exercise 7.1, check whether the points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle or not. So to check this, whether these are the vertices of an isosceles triangle or not, we must find the length of the sides of the triangle. That means you have to use here the distance formula. So first find the length of AB. Before finding the length of AB, let us assume that x1 y1 is a point A, that is x1 y1, that is 5 comma minus 2, and x2 y2, that is point B, that is 6 comma 4, and x3 y3, that is point C, which is 7 comma minus 2. Now the distance formula is AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus of minus 2 whole square, because y2 is 4 and y1 is minus 2. So 4 minus of minus 2 whole square. 6 minus 5 is 1, so 1 square plus minus into minus plus, so 4 plus 2 whole square. 1 square is 1 plus 6 square is 36. So root 1 plus 36 is root 37 units. Now let us find the length of BC. That means here you consider that B as x2 y2 here and C is x3 y3. So formula is x3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. That is 7 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square. Again 7 minus 6 is 1, so 1 square plus minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 whole square. That is equal to again 1 plus 6 square is 36, minus into minus plus, so 1 plus 36, that is equal to 37 units. Now third side, that is AC, is equal to x3 minus x1 whole square root over x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square. That is 7 minus 5 whole square plus minus 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. 7 minus 5 is 2, so 2 square plus minus 2, minus into minus plus. So minus 2 plus 2, its value is completely 0. So 2 square is 4, 4 plus 0, that is 4. Root 4 value is what? 2. Therefore, in this, all the three lengths of the sides we found, in that we got AB and BC is equal to root 37. So in a triangle, if length of the two sides are equal, then we say that the triangle is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, these are the given vertices are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Now, the next question. The fifth question is, I will give that as the assignment, so that's why I have explained here the sixth one. Show that the following points form an equilateral triangle. Similarly, same like previous sum only, let us take all the 3 points and first let us assume them that first point A as x1 y1 and second point minus a comma 0 is x2 y2 and third point 0 comma a root 3 is x3 y3. Let us find the lengths of the sides of the three of the triangle of the equilateral triangle. So AB root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That means minus a whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. Minus a is what? Minus 2a. 0 minus 0 is completely 0. Minus 2a whole square is nothing but 4a square, not a whole square. Children, it's a friendly mistake. This 2 should be inside the bracket, not the outside the bracket. You correct it. Once again, I'm telling. This is 4a square. This 2 should be not after the bracket. This 2 should be below the bracket here. 2 should be here. Please correct it. Don't write it. The same mistake again in the assignment. So it is 4a square. Root 4a square is what? Root 4 is 2 and root a square is a. So its answer is 2a units. Here let us find it BC. BC, length of BC, formula is x3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. That is root over 0 minus of minus a whole square plus a root 3 minus 0 whole square. That is equal to minus into minus plus. So 0 plus a whole square plus a root 3 whole square. 0 plus a is what? A. So a square plus a root 3 whole square. A whole square is a into a, that is a square. So you can remove the bracket. So a square plus a root 3 whole square is a into a square, and root 3 into root 3, which is 3. So you will get here 3a square. 3a square plus a square is nothing but again 4a square. 4a square root 4a square value is 2a units. Now let us find the length of AC. AC is equal to x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square. Again substitute the values. 0 minus a whole square plus a root 3 minus 0 whole square. 0 minus a is minus a. So minus a whole square plus a root 3 minus 0 is a root 3. A root 3 whole square. Minus a whole square is nothing but a square plus a root 3 whole square is root 3 into root 3 is 3. A into a square, that is 3a square. 3a square plus a square, which is 4a square. Root 4a square is 2a units. Here we got lengths of all the three sides AB, BC and AC we got equal to a units. So the vertices A, B and C forms an equilateral triangle. Next question. This is very important question. The before two sums also, fourth sum and sixth sum both are important for 2 mark questions, and this is very important for 4 mark question. Prove that the points minus 7, minus 3, 5, comma 10, 15, comma 8, 3, comma minus 5 taken in order means the same in what way the points are given. In the same way you have to consider the point. Means this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. You cannot take in any other way because it is given taken in order. Are the corners of a parallelogram. Corner means what? These points, these vertices. Are the vertices of parallelogram or not? You have to check. So to check this here, you see, observe, you have to consider the properties of the parallelogram. So to check these are the vertices of the parallelogram, you must find length of AB and length of CD. You should get these two equal. And then you have to find length of children here. The name of the vertices are marked as wrong. Please correct it, children. Here A, B, and here C should come. I'm telling you once again, please correct it. This is C. This is not D. This is C, and this is D. Correct it. Okay. A, B, and this is C, and this is D. So AB is one side, and here we will get DC. DC is another side. So AB and DC, we have to find the lengths. And then here AD and BC, we have to find AD and BC. Then let us use the distance formula and find the distance. That is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is 5 minus of minus 7 whole square plus 10 minus of minus 3 whole square. That is 5 plus 7 whole square plus 10 plus 3 whole square. 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 square. 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 square. That is equal to 144 plus 13 square is 169. 144 plus 169 is what? 313. So root 313 units. Let us find the BC. That is x3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. Let us substitute the values of the coordinates of these 2 points x3, y3 and x2, y2 in this formula. That is 15 minus 10 whole square plus 8 minus 10 whole square. 15 minus 5 is 10, 10 square, and 8 minus 10 is minus 2 whole square. 10 square is 100, and minus 2 square is 4. 100 plus 4 is 104, which is root 104. Now CD find out. There is x4 minus x3 whole square plus y4 minus y3 whole square. Substitute the points. 3 minus 15 whole square plus minus 5 minus 8 whole square. That is equal to minus 12 whole square plus minus 13 whole square. That is equal to 144 root 144 plus root 160. That is 169. The total is root 330 units. Now find the fourth side, that is AD. AD length is again formula x4 minus x1 whole square. A is x1 y1, D is x4 y4. So the distance formula when used to find the distance of AD, x4 minus x1 whole square plus y4 minus y1 whole square root over. That is equal to 3 minus of minus 7 whole square plus minus 5 minus of minus 3 whole square. Minus into minus plus, so 3 plus 7 whole square plus minus 5, here minus into minus plus, minus 5 plus 3 whole square. 3 plus 7 is 10 whole square plus minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 whole square. 100, 10 square is 100 and minus 2 square is minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4. 100 plus 4, 104. Root 104. Now, after finding the length of all the four sides, we have to find the midpoints of the diagonals. Here, midpoint formula of the 2 points x1, y1, x2, where the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So here AC means this corner point. This is the first point as the corner points across one, A and C. When you have considered the parallelogram A, B, C, D, A point and C point, the corner points line segment, the midpoint you have to find AC, midpoint you have to find. That's why x1 plus x3 by 2, y1 plus y3 by 2. Substitute the values, minus 7 plus 15 by 2, minus 3 plus 8 by 2. Minus 7 plus 15 is what? 8. 8 by 2, comma, minus 3 plus 8 is 5, 5 by 2. 8 by 2 value is 4, and we cannot find 5 by 2. You can convert it into decimal, but you can leave it like this, which is 5 by 2. So the point is, midpoint is here, 4, comma, 5 by 2. Similarly, find the midpoint of BD, that is A, B, C, D parallelogram, the other diagonal, second diagonal, B and D here, BD, the midpoint of BD we have to find. So the points are x2 by 2 and x4 by 4. Midpoint is x2 plus x4 by 2, comma y2 plus y4 by 2. Substitute the values here. 5 plus 3 by 2, comma 10 minus 5 by 2. 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 by 2. 10 minus 5 is 5, 5 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4 and leave 5 by 2 like that. So after completing all that, whenever parallelogram is given, children, to check whether these are the vertices of a parallelogram, you must first find lengths of all the four sides. Then you have to compare whether the opposite sides lengths are equal or not, and then midpoint of both diagonals are equal or not. When you get all both of these conditions, when you get it, then we can write it here. They are the vertices of the parallelogram. Here you observe it. We got A, B, and C. These two are the opposite sides. We got these two lengths as same, root 313, and AD and BC, these are the opposite sides. After checking the vertex there, I said small mistake has been done in the naming the points of the parallelogram. Here I made D, but that is C, you corrected, and this is D. Then AD and BC are the other opposite sides. That we got it as root 104. Then midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD, we got 4, comma 5 by 2. Therefore, hence we can say that the given points are the corners. Corners means the vertices of the parallelogram. So, my dear children, I hope you might have understood the today's content, today's sums, as what I explained from exercise 7.1. The first two sums are very, very important for for 2 mark question, and the last sum is very, very important for 4 mark question, children. So practice all these sums very well, and please note down the midpoint formula, and then substitute and use that formula in last sum, where I have already explained in fourth last sum. So thank you very much, my dear children. Thank you, one and all.